In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Capcut team subscription step by. Whether you're trying to collaborate with a team on video projects, or you want access to shared editing features and premium tools, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Capcut app on your phone or computer and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, go to the section labeled Me, which usually takes you to your account dashboard. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, look for the option called Membership or Subscriptions inside your account page and tap on it. You'll see several options that help you manage your current plan or upgrade to a new one. From here, find and tap on the Teams section. This is where CapCut shows you collaborative subscription plans that allow multiple users to work together on projects. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Once you've selected the team plan that fits your needs, tap on Purchase to continue. After that, you'll be asked to enter your payment details, add your preferred payment method, double-check the information, and then tap on Subscribe to complete the process. After the payment goes through, your CapCut team subscription will be activated and linked directly to your account without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to confirm that your subscription is active by revisiting the membership section. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and that your team features are ready to use. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to buy and activate a CapCut team subscription easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.